Welcome to the Flavor Fit YouTube channel, the perfect spot to discover exciting and healthy food options. We're dedicated to finding the balance between taste and nutrition, today focusing on meals that aren't just mouth-watering, but also bone-strengthening. Stay tuned as we explore some delicious food options that your bones will thank you for. Imagine walking into a bustling kitchen, the aroma of a rich bone broth wafting through the air. Picture a grandmother standing at the stove, her seasoned hands deftly stirring a pot of her special concoction. This is no ordinary broth. It's a labor of love, a recipe passed down through generations, steeped in tradition and bursting with flavor. She drops in a handful of assorted bones, each adding its unique richness to the mix. In go the vegetables, a medley of colors and textures, their freshness lending a vibrant touch to the broth. Herbs hand-picked from the garden are tossed in, their fragrant notes dancing in the steam above the pot. Every ingredient carefully chosen contributes to the delicious symphony of flavors that is this bone broth. Yet there's more to this broth than meets the eye. It's more than just a culinary delight. Little did anyone know this broth was more than just a tasty treat. What if we told you that the secret ingredient in Grandma's broth was not an exotic herb or a rare vegetable? Yes, you heard that right. The secret ingredient was actually the bones themselves. Ah, the humble bone. Often overlooked yet packed with an array of essential nutrients. B-roll bones are a treasure trove of calcium, a vital mineral that fortifies our own bones and keeps them robust. But the magic of bones doesn't stop there. They also contain other essential nutrients including collagen, magnesium, and phosphorus. B-roll. These nutrients are not just beneficial for our bones, but they help in maintaining overall body health too. Let's not forget about other bone-healthy foods. Dairy products, green vegetables, and fish are all excellent sources of calcium and should be included in our diets. B-roll. A balanced diet is key to maintaining strong and healthy bones. So, the secret to Grandma's delicious broth and her strong bones was the same, the bones. So the next time you're cooking, think about how you can make your meal delicious and bone-healthy. Remember, feeding your bones isn't just about calcium and vitamin D. It's about a rich, diverse diet that delivers a symphony of nutrients. It's about enjoying foods that not only taste good but do good, foods that are as delectable as they are beneficial. It's about embracing the joy of eating while nurturing our bodies. And there's a whole world of bone-healthy recipes waiting for you to explore, to experiment with, to savor. So why not start today? Don't forget to subscribe to Flavor Fit for more content that satisfies your taste buds and keeps you healthy. Until next time, eat well and stay strong.